Hey guys, I figured I would vlog today. I'm not really doing too much. My neighbors, we don't really know them too well, but their daughter's turning 3 and they're having like a big birthday party. They're gonna have a bouncy bounce, so they invited like all the neighbors over too. So we're gonna probably go over there. I'm not really sure what else we're doing today, so I figured I would just vlog. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys this product quickly that I used the other day, and it's like freaking amazing. This is the product. You've probably seen like people and celebrities wear those little things underneath their eyes, and I'll show you in a second. So those, they're like eye masks per se, but this one, it's called V2 code, and it's an oxygen eye mask. And I have like dry, puffy eyes in the morning, and I do have some dark circles as well. But this eye mask is cool because you wear it overnight. It's not like one that's just you wear for like 3 hours, 4 hours. You literally put it on right before you go to bed and you take it off the next morning. And my eyes felt amazing the next morning. They weren't really that puffy and they weren't really that dry. So if you guys were looking for like a really good eye mask, I would recommend this one. I will have information down below if you guys are interested, but I quickly just wanted to show you guys what they look like. This is what they look like, and you peel this off. They're like a gel-like material, and they just feel so nice on your eyes. And in the morning, I'm telling you guys, you like wake up and your eyes aren't dry and they're not puffy. Our Sleeping Beauty koala, you guys probably remember her from some of the vlogs. She's our older girl and she's my husband's girl. And when she gets in this position where she lays on her side, we call her a beach whale. I don't know how we came about it, but this is what she does, and she naps all day and has like the best life ever. My other little baby, the troublemaker, you guys know him. This is Mr. Coda. This is sleepy time for Coda right now. Hey, buddy. Coda. Aww. See, he's such a good boy, but he really is a troublemaker. Guys, so this is officially going to be a house tour because I just realized the house is clean. So this is the master bedroom, aka our bedroom. And I know you guys are thinking, wow, you have a lot of space here. I was gonna put like a little bench right there, but I actually love having this much space in the room. And then we have, it's just like a three windows here, but we don't usually, you know, move the curtains that much. So that's usually like how we like to have it. There's just like another view of the bed, and this is a king bed because I can't do any smaller. And then we just have one of those big oversized mirrors here, and instead of like putting it on the wall, we just leaned it against the wall because it is a really big heavy mirror. But I know like the style is to just like lean them up against the wall, and I actually got this like dirt cheap at Home Goods, and it had like a defect to it, but you can't really tell. So I think I got it for like 120 bucks because these mirrors literally can go for like 300 to 500 bucks. And then we just have 2 small nightstands right there, and I had to get smaller ones because the way the layout is, I couldn't get bigger ones because you'd be walking around the nightstand to get into the bathroom. So this is our bedroom. Okay, so this is my closet, and it's just coming right from the bedroom right here. This is my walk-in closet. Okay, the door's shutting, but I wanted to have my own closet. I didn't want to share with my husband. So what we did, it was cool. We customized the layout of this house. We knocked out a bedroom, and then we each made our own walk-in closets and put the laundry room up here. So we have 3 bedrooms, not 4, which is fine for me because it gives me all the space I need. And I'm not sure eventually, like, you know, what I'm going to do, if I'm going to do anything else or whatever, but this works for me. And plus it's so big that I can put a dresser in here. I don't have to crowd our bedroom with dressers. So I really love it. And then what I did, as you guys can see, is I bought these little like shelves. You can get them like off Amazon. 2 of them are from Walmart from a couple years ago, but they don't sell them anymore. But I just put all my shoes, you know, as you guys can see, all my boots and my shoes down there. But yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out, and I have enough space for everything now. Walking over to this side of the bedroom, I don't even want to know what this looks like. I will clean this for my husband, and I come in like 2 hours later and it looks like a tornado went through it. So this is my husband's closet. I've been trying to tell him that he needs to clean it up because I will literally clean this for like an hour and it just becomes atrocious again. But yes, he has his own space. So going into one of my favorite rooms, I feel like I say every room's my favorite room. This is our bathroom, and I went with gray. In my last house, I didn't have any gray, and I absolutely love how this came out. So this is our shower. I need to clean it, but as you guys can see, let me turn the light on. I don't know if turning the light on is gonna, hear it, there's a light. I don't know if turning the light on made anything better or worse, but that is the shower, as you can see. And I absolutely love the tile. We decided to use the floor tile in the shower as well. But you wanna hear something ridiculous? When you build a house, as I've said, everything's an upgrade, it really is. This little thing, it's called a niche, where it's like the cutout in the shower. Just to have this and this put in, it was over $500. Isn't that ridiculous? But I was like, you know what? We need to do it. And I absolutely love this little footrest there because now I can shave and I don't have to do all weird dances in the shower. But anyways, that's the shower. And then I'm gonna turn the lights off for you again because it's really sunny out, so you can, you know, you can see everything really nice. But yeah, so that's, disregard the hair hanging there. This is the master bathroom, and then I'll kind of just turn around over here so you guys can see the sink and everything. It's just like a lighter marble. It's got the gray swirls in it. So I really, you know, I'm really happy with the way it came out and the whole color scheme, because when you build a house, you just don't know what everything is gonna come out to be. Like, you really don't. It's really tricky. And then I'll just kind of like go in here for you guys. So this is, what's nice is that there's a separate room for the toilet. So it's just very simple. I have a picture up there. It's the same color. So this is the laundry room. We painted it just like a little bit of a lighter gray, just so it's not like that ugly cream color they paint it when you move into a house. But, you know, they put in a little shelf up there, you know, nothing too great, but I love this. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Laundry, based on the amount of laundry I do each week, I'm going to assume there are people who live here that I have not met. Such a true statement. I am always doing my husband's laundry. You think I'm doing 5 men's laundry. And then I'll just like turn around in here. This is where the cats do their business, and then I just, you know, have more storage area there. And that's about it. So yes, this is the laundry room. And you guys have seen my beauty room. I have a video all about my beauty room, so I'm not really gonna go into there and show you everything, but there it is, the second bathroom upstairs. And I just wanna show you the floor first. I love this floor. It's the larger tile, and it's like a darker gray. I originally was gonna put this in our master bathroom, but I went with the other tile instead. But I really love this tile, and I love the larger, you know, tile size. It's very popular, it's very in. So this is just another basic bathroom. It's another gray color, and I'll kind of just show you what I have going on above the toilet right there. Yep, so this is what it looks like, just very basic. This is the spare bedroom. It's very simple. And again, it's gray. I just love gray. We never did grays before, so I'm like, let me just do grays. I just love grays. It's very light gray. It brightens up the room. The room is always bright, which I like. It doesn't get dark, so we have some great curtains there. That's the front of the house, so we get a lot of light in here. And then this is a queen. This was actually our old bed. Kind of like walk around here. And so I think I got this set, maybe Kohl's, the bedroom set from, and then I just threw some extra pillows on it, put a picture up there. That's it, you guys. This is the spare bedroom.